Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get more subscribers on Snapchat. So make sure to update the Snapchat application before adding subscribers and then open the Snapchat application. Now click on the profile icon at the top and go to this My Public profile. Today I'm going to tell you 5 ways that you can follow to increase your number of subscribers. Let's start from the first way. So method number 1 is you have to click on this people icon in the bottom and then tap on this plus people icon in the upper right corner. Here you have to accept all friend requests you have received. After that you have to send friend requests to 20 people every day. The advantage of this, when they all have add you, they will automatically subscribe you. If you send more than 50 to 20 requests per day, your account may be temporarily blocked. Now method number 2 is, in this method, you have to message all your friends shout out for shout out. This allows you to mention each other on your own story, and you will get a lot of friend requests, and when you accept them, your subscribers will automatically increase. Method number 3. In this method, whenever you want to send a streak to someone, you must put your snap code on it. The advantage of this, when one of your friends like your streak, they will save it and share it with their friends, which will make many people subscribe to you through the snap code. And now the method number 4 is, in this method you have to upload 3 or 4 videos on Spotlight every day. The advantage of this is that when your video goes viral, many people will subscribe you. This is the best way to increase subscribers. All you have to do is try to edit small light video professionally. And the method number 5 is, in this method you have to create your own personal lens. The advantage of this, whenever someone uses your lens, he will necessarily subscribe you. You will find videos on how to make lenses on YouTube. You can also pay someone to make your own lenses. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.